Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve FIFA mobile quality. So please don't to know how to fix or how to solve FIFA mobile updates or quality on your app, you should just go to settings, then we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that, in this list you will search about this window of FIFA mobile, and you will enter when you'll find it here in this page. Then we click on force stop and you click OK. After that, you will enter to storage. Here we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.